Let me see what type of pizza it is though first. Ass. Let me see Yachty box. Bro, why do you just get the cheese though? Like just cheese, that's it? You eat like 3-year-olds, bro.
2 days ago,
at the airport
for the first time. No, you did not,
I
gang.
had chicken, cheese, and I dipped it in ketchup. With chicken, cheese, and I dipped it in ketchup, yeah.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Respectable tax.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
No, tax this too, bro.
I'll be honored.
Hey, I got the same shit.
Yeah, but you been taxing me since last year Christmas, gang.
I'd be honored. Please.
Thank you, bro.
God bless.
It's an honor.
Yeah, likewise.
All right.
Come on, wait, why you got old cheese?
I was gonna say something, but I want
Cheese is safe. Wait, you wanted something else?
pepperoni.
Yeah.
Stop, bro.